cutest little champions. I hope my dearest little friends are doing absolutely good. So tomorrow we have our COMEDK examination, and the first thing that I would love to say is please make sure you stay calm throughout. Remember, it's just an examination and you just have to give your best. Whatever your best is, just give that. That's all. Okay, let's face it and let's see what is going to happen. That's all. Do not be worried too much, not get into the panicky mode, do not be disturbed. I know how it feels. Okay, embrace all your emotions out there and just go and write the examination with a calm mind. Okay, now this video is going to be about the things that you are allowed to carry inside the examination hall, as well as I'll be talking about the things that are allowed to carry inside the examination center. Now, center is a whole different place. Examination hall is the place where you actually write the examination, right? So there are separate rules for both of it. I'll be explaining that, and I'll be making a separate video about the dress code, since the dress code part is not much elaborated in the brochure that they have given. Obviously, there's a little bit of research that is needed about what was followed the previous year and things like that. I'll be soon giving you a video on that. And if you have any other queries which you think that I can sort out in any ways, put it down in the comment section, and I hope this video helps you. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, because here you will get every information related to KCET as well as COMEDK counseling, and we would be also helping you with the academics. Yes, so let's go ahead with the first thing. The things that are allowed inside the examination hall where you will be sitting to write the paper. Okay, first thing, printed copy of the test admission ticket. So you have got your admit card, or what you call as test admission ticket, that is that. You have to make sure that you carry the printout of it, okay, and make sure you don't put any signatures, because we know that there are lots of columns where signatures have to be put. You have to put that in front of the examiner, okay. Done? Done. Okay, so that is the first thing that you need to carry. Now, whatever things I am saying, make sure you put it inside the bag properly and things like that, okay? Now, original ID proof as mentioned in the application form. So, Baba, while you were filling the application form, you were asked to put the number, or probably to choose a photo ID proof. Now, you had chosen it according to what you have in your hand. It can be voter's ID, which I don't think much of you would have, passport or driving license, Aadhaar card, this is something that most of you might have, and PAN card. So basically, whatever you chose, you have to bring that original ID proof. It's not like whatever I gave there and whatever I'm bringing over here, it's different thing. No, you have to produce the ID card that you had given while filling in the application form. I hope that is clear. Yes, yes. Next thing, 2 recent passport size color photographs, because you will be asked to, basically in the admit card and all, there will be a area where you have to stick it and things like that. Apart from it, they will also bring some book where you would have to stick the picture. Not you, basically that will be managed, do not be worried, okay. So anyway, just carry the 2 recent passport size pictures of yours. And make sure it is similar only. Do not bring 2 different pictures. Make sure you bring something that is similar. Now, pencil, and you, by the way, you have while filling the application form also, you had put the picture, if at all you can bring the copy of those picture itself. Yeah. Now, pencil will be allowed for rough work. Yes. About pen, they have not mentioned. So there are chances that either they can give, or probably there would not be any pens allowed. Okay. So pencil will definitely be allowed. So you have to carry the pencil for a safe zone. Don't think that they will provide you a pen and things like that, and that is exactly why you won't take the pencil to the examination hall. Don't do that. Please carry a pencil. What if they do not give you, right? And there will be paper sheets distributed for you to do the rough work, so do not be worried about that. So the only thing that you need over here, okay, as something to write would be a pencil. Now, only transparent water bottle will be allowed inside the examination hall. So in case that we saw that bottle was not allowed, we said that bottle was not allowed, but here transparent water bottle is allowed. So make sure you carry only the transparent thing. So 5 things, Baba. Printed copy of your admit card, yes, and original ID proof, okay, and that is the one that you gave in the application form. Your 2 recent of passport size pictures are there, the color photographs, not black and white, and pencil for the rough work, and finally the transparent water bottle. These are the things that are allowed inside the examination hall. Cool. Now there might be a doubt that could be coming into your head, that is, ma'am, calculator. Digital calculator would be available in the COMEDK exam portal. Okay, so whenever you are giving the exam, in that particular system, it is enabled already. You would be having that, and I'll request you, if you have got some time, go and log in and try to give a mock test, not to understand the knowledge part of things, but to understand the interface of how exactly the examination works. So, you know, it is not very easy to be very comfortable with the digital calculators out there. You should know all the signatures and stuff like that. So just check out for it. It is definitely going to be helping you towards the examination. When the examination starts off, you will not be having any worries around it. Okay, so please do that. Now, coming to the things that are not allowed inside the examination hall. Okay, where your examination is happening, these things are not allowed. So, ma'am, can we bring it to the center and can we keep it somewhere? Yes, you can keep it somewhere, but it is not recommended. I'm telling you, it is not recommended. So it is written that it is not advised to carry these things. So it's not like you should not be carrying. It is not advised to carry these things because you're putting it out somewhere and you do not know the risk of it. Anyway, they said in the, in the SOP, that is how the examination is going to work. In that, they have mentioned that there will be baggage area where you can put your bags and you can put your things. But I'll recommend you not to carry certain things which is of high value. If at all something happens, then it will be difficult, right? But if you have no option, rather than carrying it, do that. So any personal computational devices, smartwatch, as I said, you do not, again, the timer will be there. Okay, in the interface itself, so you do not have to be worried about the time. The timer will be there, 180 minutes, how many minutes are going, you can clearly see that. Bluetooth devices are not allowed, and also the cell phone is not been allowed, calculators not allowed, any other electronic gadgets. So these things are not allowed inside the exam hall. I'm repeating it again. Exam hall is where you write the exam, but inside the examination center, yes, you can carry it, but you have to keep it in the bag. And in the bag is kept where? In the baggage area. This would be allocated is what they have mentioned. So we hope they would do that, but it is better to not carry anything. Now the generic things is basically textual material. For example, any printed or written or bits of paper is something that is not at all allowed. So make sure you do not carry it. Okay, so these are the things that you have to keep in your mind. I hope that works. Apart from it, they have not mentioned anything in their admit card nor in the brochure that is given in their official website. So yes, that's all. So what do you have to be worried about? Only this part of the story, and just take these things. That's all. Cool? Okay, now I hope this video helped by the way. If at all it did, do not forget to hit the like button. Now one more thing, if at all there is some of you junior, and if you feel that you can recommend our channel to them, definitely do so and let them aware that there is a 1-year online course for KCET 2027, and that is Pariksha Veera batch, and the pricing for that is 3,499, and there will be live and recorded classes, a mix of it, and your PU1 and PU2, everything is going to be covered. The reason I'm talking about it right now is that by June it is going to start, so probably you can let your juniors know about it if at all you feel that yes, it is recommendable. Okay, so this is June 2026. So that's all. Wishing you the best. Please take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.